The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will be determine the future of the country. These lines by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru shows vision and love towards children and country. Children's Day, the day emphasizes on the importance of giving love, attention and affection to children. Good morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi. Today is 14th November, the birth anniversary of the first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First of all, we wish him a very happy birthday. The whole nation is celebrating Children's Day today. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was very much fond of children. It was Nehruji's love and yearning for children that made Indians to celebrate Children's Day. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was born on 14 November 1889 in Prayagraj. He has came from a very fortunate background, but it didn't affect his attitude. He became an important part of the freedom struggle and dedicated himself completely in serving the nation. He played a very important role in popularizing the vision of a socialist India, both within the national movement and in the country at large. He was the man with modern scientific understanding who put India onto the path of modernization. Pandit Nehru's love for children was abundant. He thought that the children would become the future of the country. So he wanted the children to have the right to be educated. He founded many institutions for the education of children. When Indira Gandhi, daughter of Nehruji, was 10 years old, she was studying in Missouri. Nehruji wrote a letter to his daughter to shape the mind of his young daughter. That letter was letters from a father to his daughter. That letter to Indira Gandhi by his father, Nehruji, gave us dynamic leader Indira Gandhi. Nehruji's life shows parents and teachers to shape up the mind and lead them to greatness. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru always be remembered for his leadership and farsightedness by generations to come. Before ending my speech, I would say a quotation of Pandit Nehru: "Children are like birds in a garden and should be carefully and lovingly nurtured, as they are the future of the nation and the citizens of tomorrow." Thank you.